engine only runs with full choke, and at full throttle, it's only half the RPMs. Odds are you got some bad gas in your carb and it's gummed up. Here we're gonna clean out this carburetor. It's gummed up. It's gummed up from old gas left in the bowl. And this thing's really on there. These are awesome, by the way, ratcheting wrenches. Turn off the gas. See what you got in here. Hopefully the gasket's good. It's almost always the jet that's right here, down in here. You need something like a little tiny wire to kind of ream it out a little bit. For wire brush works just fine. And of course the carb cleaner helps gum it out too. Get up in there, it's gonna hurt angle. My wire. See if I can get it up in there. Really not a good angle. Might be getting to that little jet. I mean, another thing you do is screw it out and clean it up, but sometimes it's just a little bit of stuff blocking it. Okay, I think I cleared it out pretty good. Alright, put this thing right back together. Clean the bowl a little bit. Line up a little holder. Yes.